What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're having a wonderful day, my friends. Today, we're going to be talking about the Fibonacci, the algos. I'm going to give you a great lesson, guys. We had a great short trade in the morning, followed by an amazing Fibonacci reversal. We also hit on BABA, and I'm going to show you that and just walk you through everything step by step. So if you are ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, who do we have in the building? Gus, Johnny, Briggs, Caladil, Trading Wars Army, Peter, Bill, Trading Wars Army, Chris, Dr. D, Trading Wars Army, Tracy, Hellshock, Devin, Isabel, Trading Wars Army, Harry, what's going on? Who else is in here? Who else is in here? All right, hit me with the one if you can hear me loud and clear. Let's do this. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the replay today, and we're going to go through the Fibonacci, go through the trades, and walk you through the ones that we were able to take as well. Wesley, J Sosa, Marcelo, Ice, Hillbilly, Omar, what's going on? Okay, so what we're looking at today, guys, is two important concepts. One is called the retracement, one is called the extension. Okay, the other thing I want to talk about is candlestick confirmation. So here is the first 5-minute bar of the day. So when it comes to Fibonacci, guys, I like to separate it into the morning and the afternoon. So generally, as a new trader, when that first candle, that first 5-minute comes in, you don't want to be jumping off too crazy. You don't want to be doing anything too rash. You just want to be patient and let the leg develop. Okay. So there's always going to be an initial direction on the day. Okay. So I'm playing the price action here, and let's look at this together here and let's see if we could figure this out. What is this direction so far? Is that bullish or is that bearish based on this price action? And the easiest way to understand the direction is just look to the left and say, okay, did we go up or did we go down? Okay, so we could see right here, guys, we went bearish. All right. So the whole point of the Fibonacci and how we're trying to maximize our gains is through retracement trading. Retracements allow us to get discounts. They allow us to get a good deal. And that's how we maximize profits. Okay, so I'm going to hop into the Discord right now, and I'm just going to show you guys here. So this was at 10:20, we drew up our Fibonacci. So let's keep playing here. So we could see initially bearish. Okay, here we go now. Bearish, 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 bearish. Okay, so here we go. So this is 10:20. So we could clearly see now we have our high and we have our low. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our anchor from our high to our low like this. And as a new trader, you only need to focus on the 618 when you're starting off. So just keep it the basic. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the Discord right now and just show you guys. So this is what we had drawn up. Okay, and you can see right here, we got filled at 10:26, SPY afternoon leg 618 filled short, and I'll show you how that works. Next candle comes in, there is our fill. Okay, so this is how the price action looks at the moment. So what is the point of doing this type of trading? Okay, so is this a green candle? Is that a bullish candle or a bearish candle? Hit me with the 1 for bullish, hit me with 2 for bearish. And what we can see, guys, is we are shorting on bullish candles. So we shorted right here on the 618. Why would we do something like that? Because we look to the left. There's the left. The left had a bearish push down. So what we're saying is everything that's coming back in to the box is just a retracement. And this bear wants to continue to make a new low. Okay, so we took our short here, stop loss at the high of day for protection. Next candle, boom, bang. Okay, so you see that, guys? That's the goal right there. We take that short and we're trying to make a new low. So all of this, you see this, guys? All of this here is nothing but like a dead cat bounce. It's just a pullback so that this bear is eating more food. This bear is getting another addition to short. It's shorted up here. It's shorting again. All right. So I'll just show you guys, walk you through that. So you can see right here, target hit, home run. So we've been on a really crazy rampage right now with the fibs. And I just want to show you guys. So this was the profit for today. So this is on a small account as well. $1,224.30. You can see we shorted at 1026, covered at 1046. This is just on 3 contracts, guys. Not bad at all. Okay. So the whole point of this is look to the left. What does the left say? Well, the left says there's a bear here. So when we come back and we pull back, we're going to say this bear is going to try to give it another chance. All right. And that's why we short right there. Okay. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. And then we're going to go into the second concept of extension. All right. All right. So we have our leg drawn up. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to put on the full because I want to show you the extension. Okay. All right. So let's talk about this in terms of numbers. Okay, so let's go back here. So we shorted at 41.39. We're doing the full size contract. Every point is $50. So we have 3 contracts. Every point moving is $150. So let's discuss this now. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, so I have the futures on the left here. This is the futures. So we shorted right here. Okay, let me just put the futures on right there. This is the futures lines. We shorted right here around 41.36. Okay, and then we're coming down here and let's say 41.31. Okay, so that's 5 points right there. So let me ask you this now. 5 points, $250 on one contract. Is that good money or bad money? Hit me with a 1 for good, hit me with 2 for bad. That is quick in basically 5, 10, 15 minutes, guys. In 15 minutes, making $250 a contract. If you're in there with 10 contract, that's $2,500. So now we have to start asking ourselves, how would we feel if we were this bear? How would we feel if we shorted, let's say we shorted at the open and then we shorted again here. Okay, so let's say we're at least up 10 points. 10 points, one contract is $500. How would you feel at this bear? Would you be satisfied? Hit me with a 3. Or would you say, hey, no, I'm going to keep holding? Hit me with a 4. And what I want you to do is I want you to think from the perspective of an institution algorithm. Don't think as yourself. Don't think as a regular person. Now, let's say this institution is doing 100 contracts. So let's say they're making let's just say they're making $50,000 on that move. Would you be satisfied? So this is the thing we need to understand. This brings us to the extension. Okay, so now the extension, you could see here, guys, we trade. So whenever we have a leg and we pull back, the goal is to make a new low, right? And then what we can see here is I have this golden zone where I call basically the completion, the extension is where that bear is trying to take us. And usually it's this 272 mark. That's why I always take profits on the 272. Anytime we start making a new low, guys, I'm starting to take profit. Why? Why? Let's think about this. Why? Why? I'll show you why. So let's get rid of this. Okay. All right. Now let me show you something. Think about this. Okay. So a new trader, a rookie, is looking at this chart. Okay. They missed this whole move here and they're sad. Then they missed this pullback because they were probably buying long, probably buying calls, and then it comes all the way down here. What do you think? Who is going to short over here? Who's going to be the one that shorts over here? Who's going to be the one shorting over here? Do you think the institution is going to short here or the rookie? Based on everything we just talked about. If we imagine that the institution right here shorted in the morning, shorted the pullback, why would they come and short here again? So over here is where the institutions start covering, say, hey, you know what? I'm done with my position, okay? And the rookies are picking up the short, and what happens? It's gone. Okay? That's my point, what I'm trying to teach you guys. So the Fibonacci now, if we go from here, you can see we came to the 272 completion zone, and then we reversed right up. So the goal, how I like to trade the Fibonacci, is always looking for a deal. If I'm going to go, if either I'm getting a pullback or an extension. A pullback means I get a discount. An extension means I'm trying to find the low or the high of the day. That's what I'm trying to do. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Okay. So I wanted to really show you guys here, just the lesson is retracement, extension. You don't want to be chasing on. So over here, you don't want to be going long. Over here, you don't want to be short. It could work. Don't get me wrong. Fibonacci is not 100% accurate. But if you trade that way, if you chase breakouts too often, you will eventually, if your risk to reward is not in sync, you might win 10 trades. And on the next 2 trades, you might lose all the gains you made. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to talk about candlestick confirmation. All right. So I'm going to go to my book right here. So Trading Wars right here. Okay. So in the book, hit me with a 7 if you have the book. Right here, candlestick confirmation, page 48. I want you to go ahead, go to page 48, and let's discuss this. Okay. So as you guys see in the Discord, we did not wait for any candle. We just went short on the level. You can see right here, short, target, home run. Okay. And it feels so easy, right? But it's not always like that. You guys know I've been on a huge win streak. It's not that easy. But let's say now you wanted to combine this with candlesticks. How would you do that? Okay, so we'll go back, we'll hit the replay. Okay, so here is our high, here is our low. Okay, so what I like to do is, if you want to go ahead and use a candlestick, go to the lower time frames. All right, so here we go. So I'm here on the 3-minute. We can do this on any time frame. So on the 3-minute here, guys, you can see we're in this golden zone for the short. Okay, we're in the golden zone right there. So do we see any type of candlestick confirmation here? Hit me with a 1 if yes, hit me with a 2 if no. So what we're trying to do, guys, and this is a way I like to scalp, is we're saying, okay, I'm in the zone, I'm in the short area, but where is the candlestick confirmation? There is nothing right now. So what we do is we start putting orders to short below these big candles, because these are bullish candles. So if the low breaks, we're assuming that there's going to be a stop run. So now we start short. Okay, I'm waiting for this to break to short. Next candle comes in, boom, there's our break. Okay, so now we're short. We're short. We're waiting for the low of this candle to break. It broke. Now we're in short. Now here we go, straight down. You guys see that? Hit with the 15 if you've seen that. So what's the benefits of that? The benefit of that is that you can use the candlestick to give you additional confluence, and you can trade off of the candlestick. Okay, so once this low broke, now your stop loss goes at this high, so you're only risking one candlestick. So for you guys with extremely small accounts, that's how you might have to do it, because you might not be able to have a wide stop loss like this, because if you take a wide stop loss, you might blow up your account. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see what happened when we got to the extension area. What was in this bucket here? Let's see what happens. So we come down here, boom. Okay, so right there, what kind of candle is this right here? Look at this candle right here. What candle is this? Look at the long wick, right? This is a hammer candle. So there's your entry right above this high. And then from there, guys, that was it. See that? Really, really nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Hit me with a 17 if that made sense. So what I'm going to show you right now is I'm going to put you on a Fibonacci mania right now. Okay. I'm going to just open the matrix right here, and I'm going to show you fib after fib after fib after fib after fib right now. And look, I only took one fib trade today. Okay. I took my short and I was good. Sometimes you just want to get your money and get out. That's the type of trader that I am. I want to get my money and I want to get out. Okay. However, there's so much opportunity on this chart, and I'm going to show you this right now. Hit me with a 6 if you're lock and loaded. Get the pen and the pad out and put on the seatbelt, because I'm going to show you something that's crazy. Okay, so you guys ready? All right. So we're going to go through the 3-minute chart, and we're going to start breaking this all down. All right. So first candles coming right here, guys. We don't really have a direction in the morning until we make this new low here. So let's keep going. So we draw our Fibonacci first from high to low. Okay. There's our 618 right there. So let's just focus on 618s. Okay, so we'll go right here, basic. Okay, so there's our first 618 of the day right there. Okay, now let's keep it going. Now we go from here, high to low. Here's another 618 right here. Okay, now keep it going. From this high to low up here, there's another 618 right there. Okay, so we had 1, 2, 3 618s. And then this right here, after this bear was complete, after this bear was done eating, everything flipped now. Now the bull stepped in, and watch how the bull just keeps running this up all day long. Check this out now. Low to high. Okay, so this one didn't make it back to 618. So this one probably made it back to the 50. So that's fine. You just continue with the next anchor. Low to high. Look at this. Right on the 618. Boom. Continue. Let's keep going now. This one, low to high. Right on the 618 right here again. Keep it going now. Okay, so just move that anchor right here. Low to high. Look at this, guys. Another 618 right there. Look at this. Keep it going. Keep it going. Okay, low to high. Look at this, my friends. No, oh my God, this is beautiful. Okay, so did you see that? Boom. It's like a staircase. Wang, 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 boom, 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 boom. And listen, I am not taking all those trades because I'll burn out. I used to back in the day. I just look for one solid, good trade on the fibs, 2 maximum, and I'm done. So you could see here with the Fibonacci bot, my goal is to just focus on 1 or 2 good ones. And we've been hitting the good ones. And I can't do that anymore. I can't sit here all day, but I want to show you the power of that. Okay. I want to show you the power of that, guys. If you're in it, if you want it, guys, it's there. And I'm giving you the knowledge. Okay. So hit me with a like and subscribe right now and send me some fire right now, guys. That's beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. So that was the lesson today on retrace extension candle confirmation. I want to go ahead and just do a quick shout out for Baba. So I was able to make $1,172 on Baba, and Baba, I posted the pick right here. I posted it last night, free options pick. So all the subscribers on YouTube. And so make sure you subscribe, guys. Baba is becoming my new favorite thing to trade. I haven't lost a trade in this one in a while. Just been making thousands of dollars on this one on Baba. So make sure you subscribe. You get those free picks every single day. Okay. What else do we have here? So seminar giveaway. So I'm doing a giveaway, guys. I'm going to go into my Discord right now. Right here. So we have an event coming up. So we have the Trading War seminar. It's coming up on April 23rd from 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern. So my seminars are usually just for my members. So if you're a member and you're listening, if you bought all 3 books, if you have all 3 of my books, you get into my seminars for free. Okay. As long as you're in the Discord and you're active member, you get into the seminar for free. So make sure you fill out the form. If not, you can pay $100 and then you will get into the seminar and I'll send you a free book. If you are just not in the Discord at all, I'm doing a giveaway for 2 lucky people are going to be able to attend my seminar for free. It's usually only for members, but I'm opening it up for you guys that support me here. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. More comments, the more likes. Make sure you subscribe, the more opportunities you have to be entered. All right. That's it, my friends. I'm going to do a scan on the way out and then we'll wrap up. But check me out at tradingwars.com. If you like my content and everything that I share with you guys for free, consider supporting and hop into the Discord with us. If you grab my Fibonacci book, you get 1 month for free. So you get 30 days in the Discord plus my indicators for life. And here's also my SPY book. If you guys want to learn more about futures and what I was talking about, the points, this is the book for you. Okay. Or you can sign up right here on the main page. For my Singapore friends, I know there's some issues with PayPal. So just send me an email at rich@tradingwars.com and I will take care of you. Right now on Trendspider, let's see if there's anything hot. Do you tend to see Fibonacci work better in trending market as opposed to sideways? I mean, Fibonacci works in every situation. Just sometimes sometimes you might be on the wrong side, right? Like if you really look into it, you might be taking the bullish legs, but the bearish legs are working that day. There's always a pullback in the day. It doesn't matter if the market goes sideways. There'll always be a pullback and an extension because price doesn't always go vertically up, right? Okay, so right here, Adobe, that one looks nice for tomorrow. Okay, so nice blue raindrop on Adobe. I'll be looking for that. Let's see if we have any holy grails. Expedia, okay, used to trade this one back in the day. This might be a nice little swing setup. We could see the last one we had in Expedia, Holy Grail, December 29th, 2022. It was the low of Expedia. So this is going to be on my list. I'll share the pics on YouTube and Twitter. If you guys want my scans and my indicators for Trendspider, all you need to do here, go to the resources page. Check this out, by the way, the resources page. Have a lot of great content here, but you can get 35% off. Use code TWZ35. If you're already a member, just let them know and they will give you everything for free. Just let them know you want to join the Trading Wars affiliate. That's it. I'm out, guys. Thank you so much. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let's just keep going, keep making money. All right. I just want to, this might be the best month that I've had. And it's a really good month for day traders. So let's keep going. All right. Thank you very much.